In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Gemini designs into Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a design you created or exported from Gemini and bring it cleanly into your Figma project, using either drag and drop or the File menu. Start by opening Gemini and heading to the design you want to use. If you're generating a new asset, let Gemini finish creating it. When you're ready to export, choose the file type that best fits how you plan to use it in Figma. Go with SVG for logos, icons, and other vector graphics so they stay crisp and editable at any size. Pick PNG or JPG for photos or raster illustrations. PNG supports transparency if you need a cutout background. Before you export, double-check the dimensions and resolution so it matches your canvas or frame size in Figma. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later, then export and download it to a folder you'll remember. Next, open Figma in the desktop app or in your browser. Navigate to the specific file or project where you want the design to live. It's a good idea to open the page and frame you intend to use, so placement is quick and accurate. For the fastest import, use drag and drop. Locate your downloaded file in your system's File Explorer, then click and drag it straight onto the Figma canvas. Release to drop it in place. If you're dragging over a frame, hover until the frame highlights to nest it correctly. SVGs will come in as vectors you can edit and recolor. PNGs and JPGs will appear as images. You can resize right away. Hold Shift while scaling to keep proportions intact. If you prefer menus, choose File, then Import in Figma. Select the file you downloaded from Gemini and confirm. Click on the canvas where you want it placed, or select a frame first to insert it directly inside that frame. This method is helpful if you're importing multiple assets and want a consistent workflow. After the asset appears, glance at the Layers panel to confirm it landed where you expected. Expand an SVG to see groups and paths if you need to tweak individual elements. If colors look slightly different, check the fill settings or ensure the asset wasn't flattened unexpectedly during export. Finally, position the design within your layout. Align it with existing elements, and you're set. Figma autosaves, so your imported Gemini design is now safely part of your project.